everyone! Are your photos blurry, pixelated, or just not good enough? Meet XDesign, a powerful, all-in-one AI platform that lets you edit, enhance, and transform images and videos in just a few clicks. No apps, no downloads, just upload, enhance, and download your new masterpiece straight from your browser. XDesign uses cutting-edge AI to sharpen blurry edges, boost colors, remove noise and artifacts, and upscale images up to 8K resolution. Yes, 8K. Need to enhance lots of photos? No problem. With batch processing, you can upscale up to 20 images at once, perfect for e-commerce product listings, content creators and influencers, event photographers, designers, and marketers. It works with JPG, PNG, and even GIFs, and runs smoothly on any device. Laptop, tablet, or mobile, you're always just a click away from stunning results. Stop wasting hours editing or paying professionals. XDesign's AI does the job instantly, and you can try it for free. The link to the website is provided in the description below. Simply open it, create your free account, and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by a clean, user-friendly interface that makes everything easy to navigate. Welcome to the main dashboard of XDesign. At the center, you'll find the AI Photo Editor, where you can quickly upload and enhance your images. Next to it is the Designer, a powerful blank canvas that lets you create new visuals from scratch. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu packed with powerful tools divided into three main categories: Image Tools, Batch, Image Tools, Video Tools. All tools are AI-powered and user-friendly, making XDesign an all-in-one creative platform for both images and videos. So let's try out the Image Enhancer tool in XDesign. This tool is designed to enhance various image types: portraits, documents, real estate photos, and even vintage repair. Let's start with a portrait. Once you upload your image, the tool will automatically improve the overall quality, making the portrait look more polished, enhancing texture, reducing grain, and increasing clarity. Here, I've uploaded a portrait image. Next, choose your preferred image quality. I'll select UHD, and then click Enhance. Within seconds, you can see the before and after comparison. The enhanced photo looks sharper, cleaner, and more professional. And finally, you can download the improved image directly from here. Just choose your preferred format, JPG or PNG, and click Download. Your file will start downloading instantly. Now let's upload a document for enhancement. As you can see, I've uploaded a sample document here. This tool makes your document look more vibrant and professional, which is great for better readability and stronger customer engagement. Once uploaded, choose your desired image quality. I've selected UHD, and then click on Enhance. And here it is. You can already see the clear difference. Let's zoom in. Notice how the text looks sharper, the colors more vivid, and the overall quality significantly improved. It's really impressive. When you're happy with the result, you can simply download the enhanced document from here. Now, let's try a real estate image. This feature is perfect for elevating property listings using powerful AI-driven photo enhancement. Whether it's for rentals or sales, high-quality images make all the difference. I've uploaded a real estate photo here. Next, select the image quality. Again, I'm going with UHD and click Enhance. Wow, amazing! Let's zoom in. The enhancement is clear, the details are sharper, lighting is more balanced, and the image looks much more appealing. Once you're done, just like before, you can download the enhanced photo directly from here. Now, let's explore the Image Upscaler tool. Again, upload the image you want to upscale. Here you can see the uploaded photo. Next, choose the upscale size: 2x, 4x, 8x, or even a custom size. Let's start with 2x and click Edit Size. Here's the result: a visibly larger and sharper version of the original. Now, let's try 4x. Click Edit Size, and the tool will begin processing. And there it is. The image has been beautifully upscaled with excellent clarity and detail. Again, you can download it in just one click. XDesign makes image enhancement and upscaling incredibly fast and easy. All powered by AI now, let's try out the Ease Video Enhancer tool in XDesign. Start by uploading the video you want to enhance, just like I've done here. Once your video is uploaded, you can choose the output quality. Options include 2K or 4K. I've selected 4K, and now I'll click on Enhance. The tool begins processing, and within a few minutes, your video is enhanced using advanced AI technology. Now that the enhancement is complete, let's preview the result. Just look at the difference. It's incredible. The video is now clearer, sharper, and richer in detail, fully enhanced and upscaled to 4K quality. Once you're satisfied, simply click on Download, choose your format, and your enhanced video will be saved to your device. Next up, let's check out the Batch Image Enhancer feature. Just click on it, and here you'll be able to instantly denoise and enhance your images in just a few clicks. You can upload a single image or even upload multiple images at once for batch processing. I'll go ahead and click on the Batch Upload button and add some blurry images. Once the upload is complete, all the images will appear in the Batch Process panel. From here, simply click on the Enhance button, and the tool will automatically start improving the image quality. What's great is that you can see a clear before and after preview side by side, so you instantly notice the difference. As you can see, our blurry images are now transformed into crisp, full HD quality. When you're satisfied with the result, you can download your enhanced images in either JPG or PNG format with just one click. It's super easy and saves a lot of time, especially if you're working with a large number of photos. The link to try this tool is available in the description below. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.